With you the sun is shining 24/7, 'cause when we're together it feels like we're in heaven.
Hey guys, it's Matt and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Rekon 3, a nano long range quad which basically makes a lithium-ion battery fly. Designed by Dave C, the concept is just cool enough that I couldn't resist taking a look at it. Let's roll the intro.
On the table 'cause you're my everything I do.
So here we are, the Rekon 3, a super miniaturized long-range drone carrying only 1S lithium-ion batteries. And that is really interesting because the lithium-ion batteries, they have a very nice long-range capability in terms of flight time. And if that really works, it's great. Because of the density of lithium-ion batteries, in this little cell, we can squeeze way over 3000 milliamps in, and this particular cell here has 3400 milliamp hours. That is really, at that weight of this quad, definitely more than ample flight time. So for that efficiency, the milliamp hours to weight ratio of the quad and the resulting way of how that quad can translate that energy into long range distance flights, it really definitely qualifies it as a long-range cruiser. However, that being said, there are a few issues I have with that design. Long-range flights very often involve higher wind speeds when trying to fly along mountain ranges and diving mountains or flying over oceans. That would be a problem with a light quad like this. Besides that, there are a few functionalities missing here, what I would think about first when thinking about long-range flying. And that would be, for one, a GPS module that I can enable return to home functionality. Then when going on long-range flights, I would like to have nice footage to review and to share from that long-range flight, and that is also not really possible on this very small form factor, because it will be impossible to carry a camera which can produce ample quality to really enjoy the footage from the long-range flight. And then this is an analog system, so in flight, when going on a long range, it will be impossible to really see all details and really enjoy where to fly. And that also takes away for me from the enjoyment doing long-range flights. But it is a really cool little fun project to make a lithium-ion battery fly, and that is what was happening here. So I will check it out and share my experience, and maybe it is different from my expectations, so we will see. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, that would be really appreciated. Have a great rest of the day, stay safe, and see you in the next one.